Hello guys, we'll be unboxing Super Mario Jamboree. This is the new Mario Party game. And yes, it includes... So Nintendo is actually including a 3-month individual membership with this game. So yeah, this is a party jam-packed with fun. And we have 7 boards, 7... Yeah, this is... I think this is the other ones in Spanish. So basically, we have all the mini games. 112 mini games in this game as well. It's Bowser versus the World in 2 online modes. And we have all this stuff on the back here. Also, in this game, you can play as a Goomba. Yes, you can play as a Goomba. I think everybody has been waiting to play as a Goomba in a Mario Party game. So, yeah, everybody wants to play as a Goomba. So, yes. Oh, yeah, we're struggling to get this open. Okay. We got off. Yeah, it comes with an tells us online free with membership. And yeah. So yeah, it comes with a 3-month membership. And yeah, you get to get a lot of stuff with it. And it also gets the expansion pack too, so yeah, but it has the map here of all the maps here. And we have the game itself. And there we go. About this video. Woohoo! It's me, Mario! I'm a #1! Also, Luigi's on the cover.